Welcome the our channel. Today we how to scale your dropshipping store with 3dcart, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start scaling your dropshipping store with 3dcart, log into your account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access various tools and features. Choose the products section from the left sidebar. Click on Manage Products to view your existing product list. To add new products, select Add Product in the top right corner. Fill in the product details, including title, description, and pricing. Make sure to upload high-quality images to attract customers. Set up product variations if applicable, such as size or color. Next, configure your shipping settings. Go to the Settings tab and then Shipping. Choose your shipping methods and apply any necessary rules. Now, it's time to integrate with suppliers. In the dashboard, look for the Apps section and click on it. Browse for dropshipping integrations available for 3dcart. Select a supplier that fits your niche and click Install. Follow the prompts to link your store with the supplier. Once integrated, ensure you sync your products correctly. Monitor your inventory levels to avoid stock issues. Next, focus on marketing your store. Consider using social media platforms to reach a broader audience. Create promotional campaigns and send newsletters to engage customers. Now, analyze your store's performance. Go to the Reports section in your dashboard. Review sales data, traffic sources, and customer behavior. Use this information to make informed decisions about your inventory and marketing. Lastly, continuously test and experiment with different layouts, product placements, and pricing strategies. Make frequent updates based on customer feedback and analytics. Following these steps will help you effectively scale your dropshipping store with 3dcart. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.